Assalamu alaikum dear cadets. Welcome to Borishal Cadet College online class program. Dear cadets, you know corona pandemic is very much alarming in this time. So dear cadets, you must wash your hands for 20 seconds, use a tissue for cough and avoid touching your face. I am Mohammad Kamaluddin Monir, lecturer in mathematics, Borishal Cadet College. Today I will discuss how to draw triangles in different ways. In your class, there are 6 types of construction which are to draw triangles. After completing this lesson, cadets will be able to draw triangles in different ways. Equipment needed for construction. Before you begin, make sure you have the following equipment. Dear cadets, in your geometry box, there is a protractor or sharp pencil and compass and ruler. Keep it for construction. These are very important for drawing triangles. Now, first construction. A triangle is to be constructed when its 3 sides are known. Let ABC be the given 3 sides of a triangle. We are to construct the triangle. Step of construction. We cut off BC, this BC equal to first line A from any ray BD. Now use a pencil compass with center at B and C and radius equal to C side and B respectively. We draw 2 arcs. These 2 arcs on the same side of BC. The 2 arcs intersect each other at A. Now step 3, we join A with B and A with C. Then ABC is the required triangle. Here BC is side A, is given side, AC is given side B and AB is given side C. So when 3 sides are known, we can draw this way. For exercise, if 3 sides are given, that is 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter and 6 centimeter, you can easily draw in this way triangle. So you must try this 2 triangle. Now another construction. A triangle is to be constructed when the 2 sides and the angle included between them are given. These 2 sides and this is the angle. Let A and B be the 2 given sides and X be the given angle included between them. We are to draw the triangle. Construction. We cut off BC equal to A from any ray BD. We draw angle BCE equal to angle X at the point C of the line segment BC. We cut off CA equal to B from the line segment CE and we join A and B. Then ABC is required triangle. For example, the lengths of 2 sides and the angle included between these sides are given. Construct the triangle. These are 2 sides and this 60-degree angle. And for question number B, 45-degree angle and 2 sides are 3.8 centimeter and 4.7 centimeter. Now, third construction. A triangle is to be constructed when one of its sides and two of its adjoining angle are given. This is one side A and angle B and C. Let a side A of a triangle and its two adjoining angle B and C be given. We are to construct the triangle. For construction, we cut off BC equal to this side A from any ray BD. Using pencil compass, you can cut it. Now, we construct angle CBE equal to B. This B angle in here and angle BCF equal to angle C at C on the line segment BC. BE and CF intersect each other at A. Then triangle ABC is the required triangle. For example, if one side and two angles are given, the length of a side and two of its adjoining angles are given, you can construct the triangle in the previous way, this way. So now a triangle is to be constructed when the two of its angles and the side opposite to one of them are given. Let two angles A and B and the length A of the side opposite to the angles A of a triangle be given. We are to construct the triangle. We cut off BC equal to side A from any ray BD. Now, step 2, we construct CBF and DCE equal to angle B at B and C of the line segment BC. This angle B in point B and C. Again, construct angle ECG. This angle ECG equal to angle A at point C of the line CE. CG and BF intersect each other at A. Therefore, the triangle ABC is the required triangle. So first of all, take a line BC equal to A and construct two angles B at B and C equal to angle B. You have to construct angle B on the point B and C. Then at point C, you must draw angle A equal to angle ECG. Then BE and CG intersect at B. That's why triangle ABC is the required triangle. So when one side and two angles are given, you can draw triangles in this way. For example, two angles and a side opposite to the first angle are given, construct the triangle. So you must try these two triangles. Now, a triangle is to be constructed when the of two of its side and an angle opposite to one of them are given. Let B and C be the two given sides and angle B the given angle opposite the side B. We are to construct the triangle. First step, draw any ray BD. We draw angle DBE equal to angle B at B on BD. We cut off BA equal to side C from BE. Now with center at A and radius equal to the side B, we draw an arc which cuts the line segment BD at point C and C prime. We join A comma C and A comma C prime. Then both triangle ABC and ABC prime are the required triangle. So, dear cadets, when the two of its sides and an angle opposite to one of them are given, you can draw the triangle in this way. For example, two sides and an angle opposite to the first side are given, you can construct the triangle. These two triangles are to be constructed by your own 5 centimeter, 6 centimeter and 60 degree, and another one is 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter and angle is 30 degree. So you must try this. Now a right angle triangle, when there is to be constructed, hypotenuse and one side are given. Let A be the given hypotenuse of a right angle triangle and B the given side. We have to construct the triangle. First step, we cut off BC equal to side B from any ray BD. We draw a perpendicular BE. To BC at B. So draw a perpendicular BE to BC at point B. Using a pencil compass in this way, you can draw a perpendicular line. Now with center at C and radius equal to A, we draw an arc which cuts BE at A. We join A and C. Then triangle ABC is the required triangle. For example, a length of the hypotenuse and other one side of a right angle triangle are given, construct the triangle. So this triangle you must draw it. For creative question pattern, one side A equal to 3 centimeter and B equal to 4 centimeter and angle B equal to 30 degree of a triangle are given. Draw an angle equal to B, 30 degree angle, and draw a triangle whose two sides are given and these are equal to A and B and the included angle is equal to B. Question number C, draw a triangle whose one side is B and the opposite side of angle B is 2A. This question is important. For your homework, use this creative question. This creative question is for your homework. Now dear cadets, you must be aware of COVID-19 coronavirus, so stay home and remain safe. If you have any question, you can ask me through comment section.